Here's a 2018 Audi SQ5. With the spacious interior and supercharged performance, this SQ5 really hauls. The 2018 model is the first year of a redesign, including a new body structure and updated styling. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, hands-free liftgate, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, front heated sport seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Auto Week finds the SQ5 is kind of a sleeper. The S moniker and big wheels are the only things that give it away as a speedster. Of course, after judicious application of the throttle, everyone will know. With the spacious interior and supercharged performance, this SQ5 really hauls. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.